So, hello everybody, I'm back. Now I'd like to show you a few examples how to deal with the homogeneous islet. So we will use the previous function we already learned in the previous video. So I would like to adjust this this islet. So first of all, let's check the situation on the orthophoto, pressing Ctrl and R. I will switch on off the layers. Okay, here I see some agriculture road. This is a grass strip, so the adjustment should look like this. By double click on the line, I can insert a point. So I move the vertices. I finish the part of the polygon to be adjusted, and now please pay attention because some of the vertices are common for this adjacent polygon. So the solution is that you will hold a control while selecting the polygon. Otherwise you will move also the neighboring vertex. So if I will move this vertex, you see, I'm moving also the neighboring one. So to disable this function, you have to hold Control while selecting the polygon. So I hold Control, I click inside the polygon. It's a warning, yes, I would like to continue. And now I can drag off the vertex, all the vertices from the neighboring polygons. Control, right click mouse, I finish the polygon. So basically I adjust the polygon. Now I will just finish the attributes. So since it is homogeneous polygon, the only thing what I do is the updating of the quadprot polygon. In these cases, all the boundaries are visible and compliant with what I see on the orthophoto, and I just click. So it's a C1, adjusted and correct. So okay, now I see it's red one already, so the polygon is finished. So this is all the work which has to be done for the homogeneous islet. So let's do it. The next one, the neighbor. Again, assessing the situation on the orthophoto. I think it's quite clear here. Check. Yes. So I will start the polygon. Can snap on the vertices. You see that the snapping now is possible because the vertices are not the vertices, the polygon is not adjacent, so the snap function work, and I just enable snap to vertex, and in the layers of islet I have to check the layers of islet and parcels. So okay, just check how. So I will finish the editing, so I will press Ctrl and right click. Here you see that I can now, if I will move this polygon, also the neighbor is moving. So well, this is corrected here. I can also snap to this neighbor. I see that there are just two vertices, which is okay. So let me see. So I will do the reshape, moving this one, snapping to the vertex. Okay, the same here. I will finish the part. Let's see the bottom side. Here it's okay. Now I will adjust the upper part. By double click on the line, I will insert the vertex. Control right click on the mouse. I finish the polygon. I will update the attributes. So all the boundaries are visible on the orthophoto, and they are all correct now. So it's C1 because all of the parts are adjusted, are compliant with the features visible on the orthophoto, and not even part of the polygon is uncertain, so it's C1. Okay, so I move to another place. So now I will check how the situation look like on the orthophoto. So Control and R. Okay, here would be very useful to use the function at a part of the polygon. So first I will a little bit adjust the outer boundary here. Okay, right click, holding R, finish the update. Here I would like to drag off this vertex because I don't would like to share them. Here is the agriculture road, so it should look like this one. So I'm holding R, holding Control and selecting the polygon. I confirm, and now I can drag off the vertices. So temporarily I will keep it like this. First I will update the neighbor that I can okay, so now I can use the function add or remove polygon area. Click, select, click inside the polygon and see that I following the features on the orthophoto. I would like to snap to the vertex here. So okay, you see the part was added. Okay, here I'm not sure whether the vertex here is, no, it was not. So I do the adjustment. One nice advice is if you have lots of the vertices and you would like to delete them, you can just pressing delete on your keyboard and you will delete the vertices. So I confirm the change. Here again I would add part of the polygon using this function. So click inside, start here, follow the boundary visible on the ortho. I would like join. It's correct here. Maybe one adjustment here in this part. And I will again add a part of the polygon. Pressing V, I switch directly to the vertex to be snapped. So I start there, follow the boundary on the orthophoto, pressing V, change the snap to vertex, V to the vertex. So the polygon is adjusted. I will update the attributes now. As I mentioned several times, this is pre-filled already. You do not do any action, only in case these attributes are missing. So the only quadprot attribute is updated for the homogeneous islet. In this case, again, I updated, so it's adjusted and all the parts of the boundary are visible on the orthophoto. So it's C1. Okay, You might see this one is again completed. So important advices about the grass strips. Basically, the instruction are saying if the grass strips is by the declaration, by the shape of the islet included in the islet, it should be included. And if the adjacent grassland to the arable land are excluded from the islet, it should be excluded also during the update. Please keep in mind that the only attribute you should update are the qualprot attributes. The others are already pre-filled. In case the attribute is missing, it means it's missing also in the source data, and in this case you should update also the missing attributes using the information from the orthophoto. All the other cases, the preference have the information mentioned in the ILOT database structure. So basically that's it for the homogeneous ILOT, and the next video will focus on the composite one.